Hello, today I am looking at the Lego City construction worker with a push-along bulldozer. It comes with 25 pieces. So let's have a look at the minifigure first. Just a generic looking construction worker. And the little bulldozer machine itself. I really like this. This is one of my favourite Lego City magazine gifts that I've ever purchased. I think it looks great and I really enjoyed building it. If you're interested in subscribing, subscribe to my channel and I'll put some more videos out. Thank you.